Alright, so I'm gonna show you this REZO Kaze ceiling fan I have. I bought a light wood version, so I'm gonna show you what's outside the box first before you open the box and show you what's inside. So this is the outside of the box. Technology, instant start, extremely powerful, silence, extreme airflow, and natural wind. Interesting. Do not use knife to open carton. Alright. I'm gonna show you the other end of this. Then right here is an upright view of the upright side of the box. Info of the supplier now. Okay, so here's the other side. And I'm just gonna open the box right now. So set this down. Right, so I'm gonna cut this up. So remember, don't use a knife to open the box. I don't see any blades, so see got blades. But anyways, right, so this is the box itself. Let me put this down. Okay, so I get this warranty card. Some instructions on how to install it. Zoom in so it's easy for you to see what's gonna happen if you do buy this. So these are the safety instructions, okay? So be sure to take into account safety measures and all. Actually, this is the first time I'm installing a fan, so I did notice that it has this like a safety wire thing. It's a good assurance. So mounting jackets. So you have a ceiling fan, screws and everything. Make sure to connect the electrical wires correctly. REZO Canopy. Okay. 0.37. Right. Interesting. Not quite sure what is inside here. But since it's paired with a remote, maybe it's some sort of receiver. Interesting. Connect to electrical supply. Alright. This is how a remote looks like. Interesting. This is the mounting. Alright, the fan blades itself, that's how it looks like. Wide angle view. Looks really, I think it looks really beautiful. It looks like wood, but it's plastic. Interesting. Oh, this is heavy. And this is a motor. This is a safety cable. Interesting. So all in all, this is what to expect from the fan. This is the housing, the cowling. Alright. With the screws and other parts. And this is the hook. Alright. I'm gonna set this up. Remove this. There's more space to work with. There are some mini screws. I'm not sure what's this. Just found this. Okay, I'll put it there first. I found out something interesting. So when installing, we need to put in this first. So it came. Right, so initially it was here inside. It came like this, so I pulled it out. It's a bit difficult, but alright. So for this part, after some figuring out, at first I thought I need to go through the center, but see this cloth? There's this thing here which cannot go through this narrow opening. So actually you need to go through here, this side. Alright, so how you do it is, first you slot it in through this side, go in. Alright. It's a little bit tricky. I'm not sure why the user manual doesn't say anything about this, but alright. Maybe because the people who install this are usually the professionals, so something like that. Okay, so once done, I'm just gonna slot it down here, right? Make sure the holes are aligned, because later when you put in the bolts and everything. Okay, so it is all in ready, and now we need to slot in these cables in. But of course, before you do, there's actually a ring that we should be mindful of. Alright, so this one actually is not down here. It's like later on only you put this before you put on the top component. Okay. Alright, so after this is done, we need to slot in the cables through here and here. So this is how I do it. Just slot it in. Maybe not really through here lah, but here, just through the center is fine. Just push it in. Right. Through the other side. Just pull it. Slide it through. And the same thing from the other side. But actually, it's through the center just fine. But before that, you go through here. Alright, so slide it through. Actually, installing a fan, I thought it was very difficult, or like it was more difficult than I thought it was. But okay, slot this through. Alright, took a few tries. Finally got it. Slot through, and then push this down. So make sure that it is all aligned, and make sure you don't damage the cables. And slot it through. Make sure everything is aligned. Alright. Make sure you don't damage the cables. Make sure everything is aligned, and push it in. I realized that, you know, we should just put this cap on here instead. Put it on. Okay. And then we need to push it in. And make sure all the holes are aligned. Otherwise we can't screw on the board. So now I'm just done putting it in. I think it's pretty aligned, but it's not really perfect. I need to adjust it more. Adjust it. Push it in. Alright, so it's aligned. See, the cables looks like this. Then, you know, cable is here to push this cloth down here. Actually, I'm not sure what the cloth is for, but maybe it's a protection to prevent, you know, wires or metal or this kind of thing. So I'm gonna slot this back in, make sure that it's nice, snug inside. And this is how it looks like from the top, from the side, from the other side. Alright, so this part is pretty much done. And now I'm gonna do the bolting of this part, so we can see the hole. So we're gonna put in the bolts. Oops. Let me see if I can have some kind of support. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to bolt this. I'm sure you guys know how to do this part already. Alright, so this nut, this washer, I'm gonna apply this, slot it through. I need to adjust the hole still. It's not very much aligned. So I realized that this part where it came in is like, you know, slanted to the side, which is not, it's getting in the way of the alignment. So I'm gonna adjust this. See, now it's straightened. Lock it up. Alright. Then now the alignment should be what I need it to be. Alright. So it's true. Still not aligned. Something's getting in the way. So I finally got it in after pushing it harder. So I'm gonna put in another bolt, right? So remember the sequence. Alright. Slot in through again. Okay, you see it's all there. Just push it in. Push it harder. Yeah, it's not true. Alright, so now I'm gonna screw in the bolts. Alright, so we're gonna put in this and put in this thing, I'm not sure what it's called, and then screw this up. Same thing on the other one. Put in the washer, then this, and screw it up. It does not come with a spanner, so you need to prepare your own. I got this free from other furniture earlier, not from REZO itself. So I think it's a smaller one. This one I use this to dismantle my old fan. So yeah, I think it's a standard size for this kind of parts. Alright, so I'm gonna screw this up and get on with the next part of the fan to work on. Alright, so this is how it looks like when it's up on the ceiling. Alright, and when I turn it on, yeah, so it works. A nice wind. Alright, if you like this video, if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you so much everyone for joining by. Before you leave, I want to let you all know that the Lord Jesus Christ, He loves all of you and He gave His life for you on the cross. And through that action, He gives you salvation so that you can mend your relationship with God through Him. And He has also taken your sickness and your diseases, and He has also bared all of your griefs and sorrows. So reach out to Jesus, accept Him into your heart. Alright, thank you all again for joining by, and see you guys next time. Bye, God bless.